Customer is almost here to pick this thing up. We come in on a Saturday to get it back to them. Figured I'd show y'all one more time out in the sunlight how this thing turned out. Man, it is absolutely freaking gorgeous. So I hope he enjoys it for a long time to come. I enjoyed doing this one. Hope to do quite a few more race cars. You know, I greatly appreciate him bringing it all the way down from Chicago. He left at this time, he left right after 9 o'clock last night, I think like 9:30. And with traffic and everything, it is now almost 4:15. So he's supposed to be here at 4:15, left at 9:30 last night. So he definitely put in a huge drive. I think it's 15 or 16 hours just to bring us this car down to North Carolina to have us do it after seeing Randy's on the channel. So greatly appreciate that. That means a ton to me. You know, he said his biggest thing was that he had tons of people up there, you know, that could do it, but it's just a time frame. You know, just like I hear all the time that, you know, people are backed up, super busy, or they don't want to do it, and they tell the customer they don't want to do it for whatever reason. It seems that a lot of shops take a lot of time to do jobs like this. So no shop should have your car for 4 months or 6 months. That's unreal. That is poor scheduling on their part. That means they're trying to balance in too many things at once. I dropped everything I was doing as far as me and focused on this car straight. This car took me 4 weeks to do, which is, you know, of course, a month, as everybody knows. So being it took a whole month to do, that's about 140 hours. Minus some of the other stuff that we did. I did have to paint some flip cars as Eddie got them ready and all of that, but about 140 hours total in this car. If you want to shave off some of the flip cars, it's safe to say there's 120 hours in this car all day long, every minute of it. So it's a lot of time, but it's still, no shop should be taking freaking you know, 6 months to do a project like this. So I hope y'all enjoy. Welcome all of the new subscribers to the channel, and I hope we do many more. There it goes. I told y'all it was going to leave out of here on an open trailer all the way from Chicago. There she goes. All right, so off to Chicago she goes, back up the road. If you're interested in getting your race car done, the email is always in the description. So make sure you contact me through email and we can talk about your project and what you would like done. I do not bill by the hour. What I do is me and you discuss your project. I come up with pretty much a flat rate quote. When you drop the job off, as long as it is what you said it was, and as long as there's no surprises or anything I need to educate you on that you may not have known was an issue, then the price will be the same. If there is anything extra, then you will know it at the time of drop off if it's obvious. If we discover anything during the work or during the process of the overhaul of your vehicle, then we will stop what we're doing, give you a call with obviously video or pictures or whatever to discuss the issue and discuss if you want it overlooked. I don't mind overlooking things for the owners. I don't mind turning my cheek on issues. I'm not one of them shops that's gonna knock your head off. Or if you want to pay to have things repaired, we can do anything in-house. Mike is a welder. Mike's channel is Blanton Dynamics. If you want to check out some of his some of his work on YouTube, go over to his channel. He is our in-house welder. He can fabricate anything for you on the spot. He can fix any rust panels. He can do anything that is possibly an issue with the body of your project. We handle all paint, all body work, and we can also fab. As you have seen from my personal cars, we're perfectly capable of building a whole entire car. So shoot me an email, I'll get you in contact with me. We also have the Facebook page, The Paint and Paper Hustle. Most all over jobs of the caliber of this one is going to be $5,000 and up, depending on if you want base coat, clear coat. We can get you as low as $1,200. That would be basically an equipment paint, like a single stage or a tractor paint, and it would be just scuffing everything down with a Scotch-Brite, taping everything up, not removing anything, and shooting it. So if you have a no prep car, back of a track car, and you just want it to look shiny from 10 feet away, we can get you in and out for about $1,200. But you have to understand that's no door jams, no under the hoods. That's the outside only, and it is the lowest level of quality you can receive. You are literally paying for my time and you're paying for the product. You get no quality work at all pretty much for that very bottom of the barrel price, but it's perfect for no prep cars. Basically, if you watch Turbo John's car, it'd be something you know, like that on his channel, where he just scuffed and sprayed it with single stage. So that'd be about a $1,200 job, very bottom. Now if you have a color that's more expensive, it could be $1,500, such as red or something like that. It costs more to make. So I do have a sliding scale where I can adjust. We can do as high as $10,000 or $15,000 jobs where we're cutting panels out, replacing rust panels, or doing fab work like that, plus paint work. So just reach out to me and we will slide the scale with what fits your budget, hopefully, and what obviously makes it, you know, pays the bills on my end, so that I can not be doing charity work, because I'm not in the business to do charity work. So again, hopefully y'all like this series of this one. When the next race car pops up, you will be the first to know it, because it will be covered completely on this channel. And if you have your project done with us, if it's anything decent, you will get to see the whole process on the YouTube channel. So I will videotape it. You know, I don't cover every job we do. You know, if your vehicle's in a wreck and it's insurance work, and we're repairing your fenders or whatever, obviously we're not doing a video on it unless it's something that I think is of educational value to our subscribers. But if we're doing an all over paint job for you, your whole entire build is going to be documented on the channel, obviously. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Make sure you smash that bell button to turn on notifications and stay up with us. And reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you would like to discuss any project that you might be interested in having done. Thanks, y'all. Now I have to go in here and give the wife the rest of this cash that we just got paid off this job. I got to give it all to her. That's what sucks.